Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video, I'm gonna be removing and reinstalling a rear wiper motor on this 2013 Cadillac SRX. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. I'm gonna take this cover off over the wiper arm, just on the back side here. It's just clipped in. Slide that over, slide it up. There's a little clip right there. Just separate this like that. All right, before I take this wiper arm off, I'm just gonna take a piece of tape and mark the location where the arm is so that when I go to put it back, it's in that same location. You could also take a crayon and just wipe right there so that you can see that. Now I'm gonna take a 13mm socket and a ratchet. We're gonna take this nut off. Just hold the arm while you loosen it up. Take that nut off. You can grab the arm and just try to bend it out a little bit, work it back and forth, and it should come right off, just like that. Now we'll open the lift gate. Next we're gonna take this cover off. You can try to take this off with a trim tool right here, right here. You can get underneath, but it's a little bit tight, so I'm just gonna use a pick. Just be careful not to scratch the plastic. Get underneath here, and pop it off there, slide it out. Now we're gonna take this screw out. It's a T30, so we'll use a T30 socket, extension, and a ratchet. So there's multiple clips that hold this in underneath here, and then a couple of retainers that go that way on the back. So we're just gonna take some trim tools. We actually sell these trim tools at 1aauto.com. Just go underneath here. Try to pry it out a little bit. You can just grab it with your hands and pull it straight down. Just gonna force it. And then the back is gonna come this way. Just like that. See, these are those clips that are in the back. Be careful not to break those. And then you have all these other retainers all around. Now we're gonna disconnect this electrical connector. Just push down on this lock, slide it off. All right, first I'm gonna disconnect this electrical connector. Just push down on this lock tab, slide it out. Then I'll take a 10mm socket, an extension, and a ratchet. Take these bolts out. Then I'll take the other two out. Take this last one out. All right, take that out. You can grab the motor and just slide it down. Now we're gonna reinstall this. You're gonna wanna slide this shaft through the window. Make sure that's all the way in. And then we'll take these bolts, get these bolts started. And get them all lined up first. Once those are all in, then we'll start tightening them down with a 10mm socket, extension, and a ratchet. Just snug those up. Take the electrical connector, just line it up, lock it in place. I'll take this cover, Connect the connector right here. Lock it on. We want to slide these 2 pins in on the back first. Lock those on and then line up the other guides. There's a guide pin right here. You line that up and then line the other one up as well. And just push, give it a tap. Install this bolt with a T30 socket extension, and once I get it down, I'll snug it up with the ratchet. Just snug, not too tight, it is plastic. Take this little cover, line it up, lock it in. We can close this. So I want to index the rear wiper motor. So I want to go through 1 cycle. So I'm going to go in the car, turn the key on in auxiliary mode. Then I would turn the rear wiper on 1 time and turn it off. And once it stops, then I will shut the key off. The reason why we're going to index the motor, or time the motor, as some might say, is if you put this wiper blade back on here and the motor wasn't in the right location, your wiper arm could end up being over here or over here. So as long as you get the motor timed properly, then when you go to put it back together, it'll be in the exact location that it's supposed to be. We're going to take this wiper arm, install it right there. We're going to line it up with our tape where we took it off. Take the nut, install the nut, just snug this up. We're going to use a torque wrench and we're going to torque this to 89 inch-pounds. And then we can take the tape off. Sometimes these clips break right here and down here. Sometimes these won't stay secure. What happens with these are going to go over on this pivot right here. To re-secure it, we're going to just take and line this up over here. Once that's in position, slide it down, push it down, just lock it in place.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.